Homework. The poem Nature Colors. Complete the sentences with plural words. Dishes, pencils, watches. I have one pencil, but Tom has 3 pencils. There is 1 dish on the table and 2 dishes in the sink. The boy has 1 watch and the girls have 2 watches. Choose the correct plural form. 1. Foxes. 2. Classes. 3. Lunches. Complete using plural forms. My school day. A. Today at school I saw many books in the library. B. There were 2 boxes of toys and 3 brushes for painting. C. In our class we have 5 desks.